Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about all the things we love to collect in our home. Coming to you in my workout gear because I was too excited to wait on an unboxing. And I've been rocking some migraines this week, so the smart thing to do is drink some water. Grab yourself something to drink and let's get into it. Delicious. We happen to go to the city this weekend, as we do, and we went to pick up my watch. She got a little bath, and it was time for my 1-year checkup. And while we were there, we popped into Goyard, and we decided to fall in love with something that we were not expecting to do. So today we're going to do an unboxing. Very excited. It's a big, big bag. I'm going to use my Koenig knife to cut the label. I have been wearing my scarf. I wore it as a belt yesterday in Goyard. Got a lot of compliments on it, actually. And I had my chip bag while my husband was wearing his Palace bag. And he convinced somebody while we were in the store to buy a trunk bag, which I think it's hilarious because every time you go somewhere with it, people are checking it out. I really like the paper, the wrapping paper that they're using. It is of the garden theme. Really, really pretty. It says Goyard on it. Now, we are going to Japan this summer. Shout out to Claudette. And we're super excited about it. Last year, my husband bought a Keepall as his carry-on while we were in Barcelona, actually. And it's very large. I carried it in November as a carry-on and it was too big for me. So we got something that's a little bit smaller that we can both use that I am pumped about. And here it is. She's beautiful. This is the Ambassade MM document case. So it's designed, if you go onto the Goyard website and you look at the briefcases, this is something that you would see there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a little editing where I speed through a few things. I'm going to put it together so you can see it as it is. Okay, so you can see I took the plastic off of each of the buckles. I am going to leave the zipper pull tab covers on. I'll let my husband take those off, but I am now going to put the straps on. Okay, I'm putting the last one in. As you can see, I struggled a bit with putting the handles in. There is a cutout where this buckle went through, and so the strap is getting caught there. So I'm having to push that part down to get the handle through. Okay, and it looks like you can put the handles on either way. I put them on the same way. I think I'm gonna flip this one around after this video because I don't know that I love that. And I put it on the longest strap length. So this is designed to be a document carrier. It is 38.5 centimeters by 10.5 centimeters, so 10.5 centimeters wide by 27.5 centimeters high. It weighs 984 grams. It's not heavy at all. I love it. It's made out of the Goyardine canvas, and it has calfskin as well, and the pieces that you see with palladium as well. On the front, you will see a front pocket. It has a little snap closure where they have the tab and then a hole. Everything's brand new. This bag was brand new for us. It hadn't been opened or looked at in the store. The nice thing about this document case is that it is lined. Some of the other, like the Cisalpine document case that we looked at yesterday, was not lined, and this gives a little bit more protection. And so you can see the circle. Inside, opens up wide, is the cotton yellow lining. And there is also a pocket inside here. There is a D-ring to put your keys, or they call it a half circle stud. And then on the sides are also D-rings where you can put a bandolier strap. Now, when we bought the Palace trunk, we bought the single strap, which is the cotton strap or fabric strap rather than the leather strap. And that also would work with this in the MM size. I believe we have the PM for the Palace trunk bag. We did not buy a strap because I feel like we could use that one for now. My husband does not believe that he will use a strap while he's carrying it, but if it was for me, I would be. So the great thing about this is if we were to do for a carry-on when we're going on our trip, it will fit the headphones, it will fit your passport, it will fit your phone, your chargers, your cords, everything that you need. We looked at a couple of other bag options. We looked at the Cisalpine backpack, which I love. Absolutely, absolutely love it. It is huge on me, and I'm somebody who's going to stuff a bag. And so we wanted something that would not be super heavy because I do have shoulder and back problems from carrying things like this all the time. And my husband keeps threatening me with a roller backpack, and I don't want that. So I will will compromise and do something that's beautiful, right? I love it. The handle has a 12 centimeter drop length. This is in the men's collection, so it only comes in 5 colors. You can do black with the black trim like you see here. You can do black and tan. You can do green, navy, and gray. I just think it's really pretty. I'm very excited. There is still plastic on each of the buckles here, and you have the zipper here. But I'm really excited. This was not something that we were looking for. We popped into the store and started thinking about, okay, well, if we are going to travel, what are we going to use for carry-ons? I used my Hardy last year when we went to Barcelona. I feel like this is a little bit smaller than that, but it's a great, great size. And it also matches the Agenda notebook cover that we just got and also the Palace trunk. So we could be twinning, which I love. What questions do y'all have? Now, you know, price increases happen all the time, so, or at least once a year. So if you want to know the price that we paid, hit me up in the comments. If you have questions about functionality, what I put in my bag, any of those things, please let me know. And don't forget, share with your friends, like and subscribe. Really appreciate all the support y'all are giving us as we grow our channel. Cheers.